sun is about to go down. And I accepted the challenge from Lontasi Winnie and also Paul Soraima. So I want to call on John Opeta, Pastor John, Brother Teta El Opeta, Hansen Timo, and also Simon Pounder and Juna Lefotu. We need some real men on this challenge. So come on, guys, if you want to join, put in your $20 to join. But if you're not going to do it, you're going to pay $100 through the media ministry. You see the shirt that I'm wearing? We do have a radio program every Sunday from 9 to 10. So we need your support. We need your help. So let's do it, man. Let's do it, boys.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Help Dad get in. Help Dad get inside.
Mike.
Lo van con
Wait. Don't put the man in the barrel yet.
We're having fun. It's an ice challenge. Come on.
It's an ice challenge.
Oh my God.
There goes our neighbors.
Practice.
All
Oh,
right.
it's cold in here.
No, Papa un
It's cold in here. Keep an eye on the video.
flat. There you go.
It's cold, yeah. It has to be cold.
It is cold.
Why you getting cold?
All right. You can say uncle.
I feel it.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
It's like a cooler of soda. Look at all the ice. It's cold.
Right. You alright? You okay?
Yeah. I eat my bread before I did this.
Okay. You want to say hi to everybody? Because everybody's waiting for your video. They've been waiting.
Hi, everybody.
Pastor finally decided he's going to do this.
Right on Tuesday.
Sing a song. Sing a song.
And we
You'll
have
be
our
okay.
neighbors. We have our neighbors support me.
There goes Brother Mike.
We have our neighbors.
Hi.
We have our neighbors supporting me.
When they put the boards on, don't let them over top.
All right.
Thank you, Mike. Thank you for the.
All right.
These guys, how long are they gonna take? These guys take forever. You know, it's freezing.
Go down.
Ready?
Yeah.
It's
Slow.
freezing.
Slow. Slow. Oh. What happened?
It's freezing. It's freezing.
I thought you wanted.
Are we done yet?
No. All right, next one. There goes
Are we
one.
done yet? It's cold.
There's one. There's, you said
How many more?
3 more.
Oh my goodness.
Here goes another one. Slow, slow. Daddy, who's expecting?
Oh yes.
Yes, you
Hola, apa,
Come
ole atua.
on, guys.
Are we done?
One more. Daddy, get out.
That is close. What more? We're not done?
Yeah, one more. That's the last one. He's already bailing out. Oh,
You
no.
have to lift up his leg.
My leg is hot.
Dad's legs are going to be strong like a bull. Watch. After this challenge.
Nothing is too hard for God. I know that.
Nothing is too hard for God. See? Nothing is too hard for God. Woo!
All this.
All right. Slow, slow. That's the last one.
Don't hit my leg.
All right, say goodbye to everybody.
Bye, everybody.
You guys
I'm
have
looking
24
forward
hours.
for those 5 men that I call out. Thank you again. God bless.